Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts and crafters. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights on the latest tools and gadgets.
Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to what I believe is the best heat gun for resin art available on the market, the SEEKONE Heat Gun 1800W. Crafting with resin can be an incredibly rewarding experience. But it requires precision and control, especially when it comes to applying heat. That's where the SEEKONE Heat Gun comes in.
Let's dive into what makes this heat gun a game-changer for resin artists. First off, let's talk power. The SEEKONE Heat Gun boasts an impressive 1,800 watts. Delivering a wide temperature range from 122 degrees Fahrenheit to a scorching 1,202 degrees Fahrenheit. With such versatility, you have the power to tackle any resin art project. Whether you're curing resin, removing bubbles, or adding special effects. But power is nothing without precision. That's why I love the variable temperature control on the SEEKONE Heat Gun. Unlike other heat guns, this one gives you complete control over the temperature, allowing you to dial in the perfect heat level for your resin art. Whether you're working on delicate details or need intense heat for larger projects, the SEEKONE Heat Gun has you covered. And with its fast heating feature, you'll spend less time waiting and more time creating stunning resin masterpieces. But what truly sets the SEEKONE Heat Gun apart is its ergonomic design and durability. Crafted with the artist in mind, its comfortable grip and lightweight construction make it a joy to use, even during long crafting sessions. And thanks to its robust build, you can trust this heat gun to withstand the rigors of your creative endeavors. So, whether you're a seasoned resin artist or just starting out, the SEEKONE Heat Gun is a must-have tool for your craft arsenal. With its power, precision, and reliability, it's sure to elevate your resin art to new heights. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews like this one. Until next time, happy crafting!